Alright, what's up traders? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the basics of a very simple setup that you can use in the Forex and crypto market to make some easy money. What you're about to see today is a clip from the daily webinar we hold every day in the Burb Nest. So if you like what you're seeing, definitely check out theburbnest.com or use the link in the description below. Alright, let's go. Describing the RLZ setup in detail, and I just want to add this to that. All right, so you go and you select the fib tool, which I have. This is the template I use for my fib tool. You can just pause the video or whatever and copy this. All right, so that's the fib tool I use. Let's select it again, and right. So I want to see, like, this is, you get a downtrend right here, right? So you get a downtrend here, like that. Now obviously this is a double bottom formation, very nice. Got a breakout, very good, right? Lovely. Now you want to see, like, all right, so where is the where are we bouncing here? Are we bouncing inside RLZ confluent with this breakout level? If that's the case, that's, you know, beautiful confluence, and we could be looking at a new RLZ area to get in on. Or was this the trade? Man, did I post this? When did I post this? I gotta check. Let's see. Posted this setup on the 13th. All right, no, that's QLC. God damn it, where is it? Where is it? Yes, the 18th. Yeah, right here. All right. So now I kind of get it. Let's actually move back to the 18th. Can I show you in real time how's it looking? This is purely a RLZ to RLZ setup. I'm not using any moving averages, nothing like that. Just horizontals and fib levels. You want to see, like, all right, so this low here to that high here, where are we bouncing? We are bouncing inside the RLZ, right? Now if this is the bounce, like, you get the from the low to the high and you find the long RLZ. From the high to the low you find the short RLZ. Now you want to select this move, the first up move for your long RLZ, and then you're going to select the down move into the RLZ for your short RLZ. You can't use this for your short RLZ. A up move you always use to look for a long RLZ. If you're going to find the short RLZ, you can only look for a down move, right? Just like the high here, the low here. Now this general area above here is going to be your take profit area, and then you can look for, you know, proper SR levels or whatever. And here you have, I mean, the 618 is perfect confluence with the SR level, really. Now you go forward a bit here and you see that, all right, so price is now, you know, moving out of the RLZ. Now what I like to see is a retest of the 618, and I would love to see that retest being confluent with the long RLZ. What time frame do you recommend for RLZ? Every time frame. It works on the 1 minute and the 1 month chart. It's doesn't matter what time frame you're trading on. It works on every time frame that you feel comfortable trading on. It works on. It's just the magic of numbers. It's just, you know, any time frame. If you like trading the monthly, obviously if you find the RLZ on a higher time frames, obviously that RLZ is going to have more confidence. What I like to do is, like, look at the monthly, look at the weekly, look at the daily, look at the 4 hour, look at the 1 hour, look at the 15 minute. And if you find the confidences like RLZ be inside RLZ, like you have a monthly RLZ, and then inside that one you have the weekly RLZ, where the middle of the weekly RLZ is confluent with the 618 of the monthly RLZ. Then you have a daily RLZ, well, the midpoint of the daily RLZ is confluent with the 618 of the weekly RLZ. That's just adding confluence on each other. And the more confidence you get, the more risk you can put on the trade, if you like to trade like that way. All right, so now we are getting a move out of the RLZ, and the perfect setup, like the absolute perfect setup. You could obviously have bought the midpoint here, but you need confirmation, and the type of confirmation I want to see is a bounce inside the RLZ, and then a move back to touch the 618 of the RLZ. What I'd like to see is the this high time frame long RLZ, I want that to be confluent with this move, right? Actually, let's go down to the daily, or how high is the chance that the price will always come in the RLZ? Is it really that simple? I'm not sure what you mean, like how high is the chance? Well, my win rate on this strategy is above 50%, and the risk to reward is always going to be above 2 or 3. So with a 50 to 60% win rate and a above 2R, you're going to make money. Like you're going to be pretty profitable. So it's, I don't know why, but price always hits the RLZ. And when it doesn't, the invalidation is pretty clear. So I don't know, like my win rate is not reflective of the win rate of the chance of bouncing from the long 618 to the short 618, because I'm a human being, right? But if you put an algorithm on this, I'm sure you're gonna see some very interesting results. I mean, price, like the 618 is just magic. That's just what it is. So let's move forward here. Right, so now we're getting a move down here, and like you could select this RLZ right here. Now what you're seeing right here is some very, very beautiful confluence with the midpoint of the low time frame RLZ of this move and the high time frame RLZ. Let's go down to the hourly here, because I think I've actually charted this a bit different on the actual setup. I think I've used like this or this low or something like that. If you use that low, you have beautiful confluence here with the 618, but really you should probably use the absolute low and so where in the RLZ do you buy? I buy bullish market structure. So when I have a confirmed bounce, right? When price comes down into RLZ and forms higher highs and higher lows on like the 4-hour or 1-hour time frame, that's when you want to buy. And look at this, for example. Right, so let's see here. This is the setup, right? Now we got this high here and that low here. I'm not sure why the RLZ looked so different on. That's weird. I gotta use that one and this one. And something's a bit different this time. I don't know why, but let's just buy right here. Stop loss should be right here. Take profit up here. Let's see how this works out. As you see, price comes down into the low time frame RLZ right here, comes up with the midpoint of the higher time frame RLZ, and then hits the 618 beautifully. That's the trade, that's the setup, that's the setup in a nutshell, really. That's all you need.